Hi, what's going on everyone? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my Profit Dojo review. Now, I'm here inside of the Profit Dojo members area, and during this review video I'm going to be breaking this down and showing you exactly what you can expect to get if you choose to purchase Profit Dojo. Now, in a nutshell, what you're going to learn inside of Profit Dojo is how to become an advertising agency and charge a monthly fee to potential clients, so you do the advertising on their behalf. So this is going to teach you how to do all the advertising using Facebook ads, and how you can profit every single month recurring by getting clients and being like an advertising agency, I guess. So if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you, then stick with me during this review as I'll be breaking it down. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you that wish to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that link, then you'll come through to this page right here. This is my bonus page where I host all of my bonuses for Profit Dojo. And if you'd like to buy Profit Dojo at any time during this video, all you need to do first of all is click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, come through to this bonus page, scroll down and then click on any of these yellow buttons. That will take you through to the sales page, which looks like this, where you'll be able to purchase Profit Dojo. But you'll need to do that if you want to pick up my bonuses. You'll need to do that before this countdown timer runs out, because when it does, this page will expire and so will all of my custom bonuses, and that's something I really don't want you to miss out on, because I've spent a long time creating these bonuses so that you can get the best out of Profit Dojo as possible. So my first bonus here is I'm going to give you a guide to how to set up your first gig on Fiverr the correct way. Okay, you can just go onto Fiverr and set up a gig. Anybody can do that, but doing it the correct way, that's what's important. So this guide here is going to show you the do's and don'ts of setting up your first gig on Fiverr. Now, this is going to help you out because you're going to want to be looking for clients in as many places as possible. This particular bonus is going to show you how to look for clients on Fiverr, which is kind of a passive way to do it, and it's what a lot of big agencies are doing. So you need to get yourself out there, and you can use this bonus to do that. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you an alternative to ClickFunnels, because these guys inside of Profit Dojo, they are talking about having a landing page using ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is going to cost $97 a month. You can use a very similar tool that I use, which costed me, I think it was $7 or $8 one-off. Okay, it's not a monthly fee, and it's not as robust as ClickFunnels, obviously, but it does what you will need it to do for this method. So save yourself a ton of money there. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you a white label course that I have access to. Okay, it's not some crap PLR. This is a high quality course that I have white label rights to give away, and it's going to show you how to use the power of influencer marketing using Instagram, which is a hot traffic source, and it's very underexploited right now. So you could totally go and use this as well to do the method that is described inside of Profit Dojo. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you access to a software that I use with Instagram for free traffic. Okay, it's going to generate free traffic basically from Instagram as well. And bonus number 5, I'm going to give you access to all the bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you guys. Now, although I don't really know much about these bonuses right now, but they are going to include, and I'm guessing this is alone what most other affiliates are giving away as bonuses. I've gone over and above that with my own custom bonuses here, which you're going to get access to as well. So from the vendor, you're going to get Penny Likes Academy. You're going to get 4-hour $1 million e-com training. You're going to get the Instacash system, you're going to get Facebook group secrets, and you're going to get tidal wave traffic. These are all going to be included in the members area from the product owner. So if you want to claim all of these bonuses, my custom bonuses and the vendor bonuses, all you need to do first of all is click on the link down below in the description of this video, scroll down this page, click on any of these yellow buttons. That will take you through to this sales page where you can purchase Profit Dojo. As soon as you've done that, you just need to go through to your Warrior Plus account. Okay, on the top right hand side, you'll see a little red button with your username. Click on there, click on Purchase History, click on Profit Dojo, and then you'll find a page that looks something like this with a little blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonuses. That's where all of these bonuses are going to be waiting for you as soon as you've gone through checkout. So if you do click on any of these orange buttons on my bonus page, you'll come through to this sales page right here. Case study: how Manny discovered a dummy-proof way to help you. Make $1,425.90 per month with only 45 minutes using 100% passive traffic machines and without paying for traffic out of your own pocket. Okay, well, first of all, this is going to be using Facebook ads, but because you're going to be advertising on behalf of a client, then you'll be using their ad budget to run the ads. So this is going to show you everything that you need to do to be able to run those ads for your client, and then this is the type of money that you'll be able to make passively per month that you'll be able to get from your clients for doing their advertising. So brand new case study: passive traffic for any business, the new way of getting paid from automated traffic. Start making money this week. No prior experience needed. Complete step-by-step system. 100% newbie friendly. Easy setup. Works in any niche. Make $1,425.90 to $5,000 plus per month by scaling strategies revealed inside a Profit Dojo. No limit on how much money you can make, okay, because you just need to go and get more clients and make more money. And these are the payments that these guys have got. Excuse me. So a lot of income proof on here on the sales page. These are the guys behind this launch. Come and check out this sales page in your own time, because it would just be a waste of both your time and my time to continue going through this sales page and showing you everything. You can go and check this out in your own time by clicking on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Coming through to my bonus page here, scrolling down, clicking on any of these yellow buttons that will take you through there. So go and check it out in your own time. I'm going to jump into the members area and show you what this is all about. So if I just go back to home here, you have the home page, he says. Okay, you have the home page here. You have this introduction video. You can start the training down here. So if we go to module number 1 here, the types of business, the types of ads that you're going to be using, which is going to be Facebook ads, the tools that you need, the type of, well, you need a Facebook manager account, you need a Facebook Messenger bot, and you need ClickFunnels. Well, you don't need ClickFunnels if you use my bonus. Then you have some training on the Facebook manager account there, and then the types of Facebook services that you can run, pricing your services, and then his 24-hour strategy to get new clients. And this is exactly what he did. Obtaining info from clients, your end goal, and then onto module number 3. Okay, in this module you're gonna it's gonna show you what you're gonna learn. You've got the organic growth structure in here, the Facebook likes, the page likes, the types of PPE ads, page post engagement ads that you want to be using, the Facebook pixel, the website conversion ad, the website conversion ad part 2, tracking hacks part 1, tracking hacks part 2, tracking hacks part 3, custom audiences, video views, lookalike audiences, vertical and horizontal scaling, key Facebook ad matrix. Okay, so you can see there's a ton of content inside of here on how to use Facebook ads. Now, you won't necessarily be having to pay for these Facebook ads yourself if you get yourself a client excuse me, that will be willing to pay for this advertising, which they have to if they're going to take you on as their agency. Groupon, using Facebook groups to find potential clients, the Google method, using Facebook ads to find clients, client scenarios, finding clients in newspapers, and then we're on to module 5, how I generated 3,000 plus subscribers from messenger bots, $2,000 worth of sales plus hundreds of leads. These are all the case studies here. Negative and positive campaign. Case study number 4, generating $1.70 leads in the Make Money Online niche, which is pretty good. And then, okay, the bonus modules are going to be coming next. So as you can see, there's a ton of value inside of Profit Dojo that you get access to for $9.95. That's what this is going to cost you for all of that training. I think if you want to learn how to do Facebook ads for yourself, this is going to be an awesome training to take, because it goes into all the different types of ads that you need to use, how to scale it with lookalike audiences and stuff like that. And if you want to do this for clients, that's fine. That's what this method is showing you how to do. But the training alone on Facebook ads is absolutely golden. $9.95 is what these guys are charging for this. If you get in there early today. Today is the 2nd of August 2018. This launches at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today. There's a few upsells in here. So the first upsell is going to cost $27. This is Profit Dojo plus group coaching. Okay, this is going to be advanced training that shows you how to get 10x faster results using the Profit Dojo system, using automation and free software options. Customers who invest in OTR 1 upgrade will also be added to Manny's exclusive Profit Dojo group coaching. So $27, that's awesome value right there. Upsell number 2 is a Profit Dojo case studies bundle plus done for you pack. This is $19.95. So basically you're going to get access to more case studies where you can just basically copy and paste what Manny's done in these case studies and get results for yourself. Plus you're going to get all the done for you elements such as graphics, images, copy, targeting and niches to help you get faster results with the Profit Dojo system. That's $19.95. And then upsell number 3, you have the resale rights, which is $37, and it allows you to become affiliates. Okay, so it's $27 if you just want the front end reseller rights. Now, I wouldn't bother with that because as an affiliate, I'm an affiliate myself. I already get 100% commissions if anybody buys anything from this. So there's no point in paying $27 for that. You're going to get that for free if you apply as an affiliate. What would be worth it is if you buy the whole resale rights to the funnel, which is $37. All you would need to do is send your traffic to this sales page. Okay, and then you get to keep 100% of all of these price points instead of just this front end one, which you can get. You can just apply for to be an affiliate and you'll get that anyway. So, okay, here's the ones that I would get. I would pick up the first upsell for $27 because you get access to the group coaching and the advanced training. And I would probably get upsell number 2 as well because you get access to more case studies and the done for you pack for $19.95. I probably wouldn't get the resellers rights, but it's completely up to you if you want to go for that. That's what I would get. So the front end, the Dojo Plus, and the done for you and the case studies. Okay, don't forget to check out my bonuses because I did spend a ton of time making these so you can get even more out of Profit Dojo as possible, and they're going to be thrown in there completely free as part of this $10 deal. So insane value right there. Okay, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this Profit Dojo review, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care. Bye.